The impact of environmental changes on our planet. The environment is facing unprecedented challenges, and the consequences of human activities are becoming increasingly apparent. From climate change to deforestation, the natural world is under threat, and it's essential that we take action to mitigate the damage. In this article, we'll explore the impact of environmental changes on our planet and discuss ways in which we can work towards a more sustainable future. What are environmental changes? Environmental changes refer to the alterations that occur in the natural environment as a result of human activities or natural processes. These changes can be physical, chemical, or biological and can have significant impacts on ecosystems, biodiversity, and human health. Types of environmental changes. There are several types of environmental changes, including 1. Climate change. Climate change refers to the warming of the Earth's surface due to the increasing levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. 2. Deforestation. Deforestation is the clearance of forests, usually as a result of human activities such as agriculture, urbanization, or logging. 3. Pollution. Pollution refers to the release of pollutants into the environment, including air, water, and soil pollution. 4. Overfishing. Overfishing is the depletion of fish populations due to overfishing, which can have significant impacts on marine ecosystems. 5. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is the loss of soil due to wind or water erosion, which can lead to the degradation of land and the loss of fertility. Causes of environmental changes. The causes of environmental changes are complex and multifaceted. Some of the key factors contributing to environmental changes include 1. Population growth. The growing human population is putting pressure on the environment, leading to increased resource consumption and waste production. 2. Economic development. Economic development can lead to environmental degradation, as natural resources are exploited to fuel growth. 3. Technological advancements. Technological advancements can lead to increased resource consumption and waste production. 4. Lack of regulation. The lack of regulation and enforcement can lead to environmental degradation. Consequences of environmental changes. The consequences of environmental changes can be severe and far-reaching. Some of the key consequences include 1. Loss of biodiversity. Environmental changes can lead to the loss of biodiversity, which can have significant impacts on ecosystems and human health. 2. Climate change. Climate change can lead to rising sea levels, more frequent natural disasters, and changes in weather patterns. 3. Water scarcity. Environmental changes can lead to water scarcity, which can have significant impacts on human health and agriculture. 4. Soil degradation. Soil degradation can lead to the loss of fertility and the degradation of land. Solutions to environmental changes. There are several solutions to environmental changes, including 1. Renewable energy. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. 2. Sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture practices, such as permaculture and regenerative agriculture, can help reduce the environmental impact of farming. 3. Conservation. Conservation efforts, such as protecting natural habitats and preserving biodiversity, can help mitigate the impacts of environmental changes. 4. Recycling and waste reduction. Recycling and waste reduction can help reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills and minimize the environmental impact of human activities. Individual actions. Individuals can play a significant role in mitigating the impacts of environmental changes. Some of the ways individuals can make a difference include: 1. Reducing energy consumption. Reducing energy consumption by using energy-efficient appliances and turning off lights can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. 2. Using public transportation. Using public transportation or carpooling can help reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. 3. Eating a plant-based diet. Eating a plant-based diet can help reduce the environmental impact of food production. 4. Reducing waste. Reducing waste by recycling and composting can help minimize the environmental impact of human activities. Conclusion. Environmental changes are having a significant impact on our planet, and it's essential that we take action to mitigate the damage. By understanding the causes and consequences of environmental changes, we can work towards a more sustainable future. By making individual changes and supporting policies that prioritize the environment, we can help protect the natural world and ensure a healthy and thriving planet for future generations. Recommendations. If you're looking to make a positive impact on the environment, here are some recommendations to get you started. 1. Reduce your energy consumption. Reduce your energy consumption by using energy-efficient appliances and turning off lights. 2. Use public transportation. Use public transportation or carpool to reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. 3. Eat a plant-based diet. Eat a plant-based diet to reduce the environmental impact of food production. 4. Reduce your waste. Reduce your waste by recycling and composting. 5. Support environmental policies. Support policies that prioritize the environment and promote sustainability.